Ever dreamt of objects floating in midair like magic? Well, welcome to the world of electromagnetic levitation. By using the power of magnets and electric currents, we can defy gravity and make things hover effortlessly. This futuristic technology is not just for sci-fi movies, it's real and mind-blowing. Imagine trains gliding without touching the tracks or objects suspended without any visible support. Electromagnetic levitation is the ultimate blend of science and wonder, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, I set up this fascinating experiment to explore plant communication. Turns out, plants can talk to each other through chemical signals. When one plant is attacked by pests, it releases chemicals into the air to warn nearby plants. It's like a green network of whispers. This discovery could revolutionize how we understand plant behavior and even help us improve crop yields. Nature never ceases to amaze me.
G'day mates! Did you know that biodegradable plastics break down naturally into harmless substances, unlike traditional plastics that linger for centuries? When biodegradable plastics are exposed to the right conditions, like heat and moisture, they decompose into water, carbon dioxide, and biomass. This eco-friendly solution is a game changer in reducing plastic pollution and protecting our environment. So, let's make the switch to biodegradable plastics and be part of the solution. G'day mates! Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own DIY cloud chamber. All you need is a glass container, felt, alcohol, dry ice, and a radioactive source. Simply cut the felt to fit the container, soak it in alcohol, place it at the bottom, add dry ice, and top it with the radioactive source. Watch as particles leave trails in the alcohol vapor, revealing the invisible world of radioactive decay right before your eyes. It's a fascinating experiment that you can easily try at home. Give it a go and witness the magic of science unfold.
Imagine a surface that repels water like magic. That's hydrophobicity for you. These surfaces are like water's worst nightmare, making droplets dance and slide effortlessly. From self-cleaning windows to waterproof fabrics, the possibilities are endless. Scientists are exploring this fascinating world to create innovative technologies that could revolutionize our daily lives. So next time you see water bouncing off a surface, remember, it's all about that hydrophobic magic.